backup we are.
So, so yesterday we did the cloning using Armin, but we did not taken the Armin backup, or we did not take anything like the related to backup, right? We have
Yes,
just
correct.
connected as a auxiliary, uh, and then run the duplicate command. Okay, so
Yes,
it
correct.
will copy all the data file and all the files and data which is currently running on the your source database. So it copy all the files from a source to a target. Okay, so
Yes,
on that step, we did not taken any backup. Okay, and there is see for the cloning, if we talk about the cloning, so there is a multiple way to clone a database. Okay, if you are having a very less size of the database, so simply you can create a database on clone server or test server, we can say. Okay, and then create a structure as you have on source database. uh, Structure in this sense, need to create the all the table space, data file and everything, and then just take a export backup from the source database and perform like the import it in the test server,
uh,
clone server. Okay,
okay.
so that is a one way. The second one, which we have performed yesterday. Okay,
Yes, correct.
by using need to set up create a p file and copy that p file and password file from the source to target database, create the structure as we have on the source, so need to create the same structure on the target. Okay,
Yes,
and then set up the listener on both the side, and set up the TNS entries. Okay, make the
yes,
TNS entry on both the side for the both the databases, and
yes,
then
correct.
go to the clone server, or we can say the test server, and
Yes,
connect as a RMAN, and give the source user and password name at the rate connection string name of your source, and then auxiliary give the username and password at the rate your clone database server. Okay, so it will connect it to the source database, and for target it connected as a auxiliary instance. And then it's start your database on no mount stage, and then run the command duplicate target database to clone from active database, no file name check. So it will replicate everything. Okay, the third option, you can take a Arman backup directly from the production. Okay, so you just directly take a full backup of the your source database.
yes,
Okay,
correct.
and
Yes,
then take a full backup of your database by using backup database, backup archive log and backup current control file. Okay, and then copy that backup from source to target, and then just simply no need to set up the TNS entry for both the instance and all. You just make entry for the target database. So you just need to configure the listener for target database, and then you need to configure the TNS entry for target database only. No need to put the entry of your source database. Okay. And then
yeah.
after, you just simply need to perform the Armin backup, normal backup database and recovery. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You just need to create a P file from the source, and then copy that P file from source to target. Okay, and
Okay.
then you need to make the entry, or you need to edit the entry in whatever you have in the P file as per your clone server, and then normally you can perform the database recovery, create a SP file, then start your database on no mount stage, restore your control file from the backup, and then you start up your database on mount stage. Then you need to catalog that backup location, and then perform the recovery. Okay,
Okay.
store the
Yeah, bhai.
database, recover the database. So that is the another option. You have one more option, same like the backup and recovery, but here you need to create a P file from the source. Okay, and
Yeah.
then you need to copy that P file from source to target. You need to create a SP file from that P file on target database, means on clone database. Okay, and
Yeah.
then uh, So once you will create SP file from P file, then you start your database on no mount stage. Okay.
Yes,
And
bhai.
then after that, you need to connect as RMAN auxiliary. Means before that, you need to take a backup from source database. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So from source means your production database. You need to take a RMAN backup, RMAN full backup from source, and then copy that backup to the target database. Take a backup of database archive log and control file. Okay. And
Yeah.
then copy that backup pieces to the target database. Go to the target location. You need to create a SP file from P file. Start up your database on no mount stage and connect your clone database using RMAN auxiliary /1.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to connect to that, and then after you need to execute this data, this command. And here you need to give yesterday what we are giving for the both. Let me show you. So yesterday how we are connecting to auxiliary, we connected to sys, and we have given the password, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And at the rate
That clone.
primary
Primary.
connection string,
Yes.
right? Primary connection string name,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And then auxiliary, and here we have given the like clone server username,
Password.
password at the rate clone server connection string name, right?
Yeah. Right. Yes.
Clone connection string name. So we are connecting using this, right? But today we are connecting only RMAN auxiliary. Means we are connecting only your clone server. Here
Yeah.
no need to connect to the primary because already we have a backup of your primary database, right?
Yes. Yes.
So no need to connect to the primary. Okay.
Okay.
Yesterday, and then once you have connected using this method, then here what you were given yesterday, duplicate target database to clone DB from active database, right?
Yes. Right.
From active database, no file name change. But today
Yeah.
what you are giving, duplicate target database to clone, right?
Yeah.
Backup location. Here we are giving backup location, and here you need to give the backup location path here. Means
Yes.
where like you copy the backup now from primary to a DR. So
Yeah.
you put that backup location path here, and then no file name change. Okay. So it will
Okay.
store the control file. It will restore the means like it will duplicate everything from the backup on the current server on the target server. Means it will not going to copy the file from the primary. It will duplicate everything from the backup. Whatever we have taken the backup from the primary and we have copied to the like clone server. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the use of the backup. Yesterday I told you na, like interviewer can ask if using the yesterday method. Okay. If you are using the yesterday steps, which we have followed yesterday. Okay. So why you have taken the backup? If there is no need of backup, then why you are taking the backup? Okay.
Yeah.
So I hope now you can understand for yesterday steps, we don't need to take the backup,
Yeah.
right?
Right. Right.
And if you are going to do by using this method, so you need to follow the same. But there is one small change when you are going to perform this step. Okay. So no need to put the entry, the bot database on the bot side in the TNS names.ora file. Because here no need to connect to the clone server or primary server, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we just need to put the entry for the clone database only. No need to put the entry for the primary.
Okay. So
Yeah.
yesterday we
Right.
mentioned primary server here, location and what is that redo log file and is there na that data files. But today we are not mentioning. We are mentioning only clone database details here, right?
For redo log,
Yesterday you shared na that one like two scripts I mentioned na two scripts.
two parameter you are saying, DB
Two
file name
parameter.
convert and log file name convert.
Right.
Yeah, see, if you want to use those files, so where you can use those files, as I said, if you are having the same structure, okay,
Yeah.
then no need to use those files, okay.
Okay.
But if you are having the different structure,
Okay.
different structure is the file is on your source database, the file is available in another directory. And on target, you are going to replicate all those files to the any other directory. You do not
Okay.
have the same structure as
Yeah.
we have the primary. So you do not have the same structure on the target server. Then
Right.
in that scenario, you can use the DB file name convert and log file name convert.
Yes, boy.
Okay, so what it will do, it will copy from the source database location, it will copy the files from the source database location, and after that, whatever the path you will give for the target database, so it will copy from primary location and it will put all those files to the whatever the path you have mentioned for the target database. So you will copy all those files to that location.
Yes, very.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can use those file in parameter file, and then you can like parameter file either by using alter database, okay, alter system set command. You can set the DB file name convert and log file name convert.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. For those command, no need to start the database.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can like change the those parameter by using alter system set command one.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to use, but if you have the different directory structure. Okay.
Okay.
But if you are having the same structure, no need to use. So that's why I explained to you yesterday. If you have the different location, then you need to use these two important parameters. And if you
Yes.
don't, if you have the same directory structure, then no need to use the like those parameters.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for today learning only this, if you are going to perform the like arm, this is also called the arm cloning, but
Cloning.
using backup,
Okay. Using backup. Okay.
using arm backup cloning. This is the arm backup cloning.
Okay.
Okay, and this is
Yeah.
the arm cloning. Here we
Okay.
are not using the database backup.
Yes, but right.
It's directly duplicating all the file, whatever the file we are having on the source
Production.
database. It's
Yeah.
replicating all those files from source to target database.
Yes, but right.
Here we are not using any backup. Okay.
Yeah.
But in this scenario, we are using the backup.
Okay.
Yesterday, as I said, if you go to the interview and if you will like explain the cloning, so there is a multiple like people like mention like we need to take the backup, database full backup, and then they will execute this command. In the last time, they will go to that point and they will say the this command. Then in
Okay.
that point, interviewer can ask, but
Yeah.
if you are performing this, then why you have taken the backup? What is the use of backup? Because you are not using anywhere to those backup.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
why
Yes.
you have taken the backup? So
Got it.
for that type of means like question, you can give like you can provide this answer. Like
Got.
in if we are going to configure the cloning using this method, then here we don't need the arm backup. But if we are going to perform like the cloning using this method, then here you need to use the database backup.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So
Backup location. Okay.
yeah. So here you need to give the backup location where like at whatever you have the backup on target database. So you just need to put that backup location.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the method.
And one more doubt, by normally in our company environments, preferable which one is best one, by like this one below one or above one, the backup
See,
cloning is best.
it depend on your database
Client.
backup size.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Because see, if you are having a very huge size of your data, like source database, so
Yes.
you cannot go to the this method. If
Okay.
suppose your database size is around 25 TB,
Ah,
then in that scenario, how you take the backup? It will
eh,
take, if you are having suppose 20 plus TB of size, means
yeah.
your database size will be 20 plus TB. Then how you will take the database backup here? If you are going to take the database backup here, then what will happen? It will like take the time, 2 days, 3 days,
Yes.
4 days, right?
Yeah. Right.
So
Right.
it takes the time. Then again, you need to copy those backup from primary to
This
like from
clone
source to target.
target.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then on that location again, you will be like set up everything, and then after you need to perform this duplicate command. Then
Yeah.
again,
Right.
it will take around 2 to 3 days or 4 days.
Yes. Right.
Either if client is saying ki like we have the database full backup of
Okay.
your source database, we are
Yeah.
having a full backup, so you need to use that backup and clone it on the clone server. So
Clone
using
server.
that backup, you just clone the database server on
Okay.
clone
Got
server.
it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in that scenario, you can use, because they will copy that backup on the clone server, and then in that scenario, you can use this command because there is
Yes.
no need to take the backup from the primary,
Right.
right?
Right.
Because we
Yes.
are having the like clone, we are having the server, clone
Okay.
server, and we are having the database like source database backup. So you just need to take a like you need to create a P file and copy that P file from primary to DR, means like
Yeah.
primary to clone server, and then just need to perform this method.
Got
So it
it.
will work.
Understood.
Either you can perform this method if you
Yes.
are having the full database backup. So using normally using the like means normal restore and recover of data.
Yes. Right.
Yeah, so here you just need to perform the like restore database using that backup, and whatever the control file backup and data file backups is available in the backup is. So you just need to restore your control file, need to restore your database, need to recover the database, and then open the database.
Yes. Bye.
So that will work. There is
Yes.
no issue.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm. So either you can perform the normal database recovery, okay? Either you can perform the RMN auxiliary
Okay.
using if you are going to clone the data, okay?
Understand. Understand.
But if they are saying we do not have the recent backup, then in that scenario, you can use only this method. If you are
Okay.
having a very huge size of your database,
Yes. Understand.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the one. And so today, now what things we have to do for today? What topics? Once I think you have shared the what topics we have to discuss. So can you share one more time? Then I will get the more idea.
Yes, I'm sharing it.
Mhm.
For us, as per your share now by WhatsApp, I'm sharing it.
Mhm.
These are the topics you said in our complete this.
Okay, so we have
Okay,
completed the cloning. Now we are going to data guard and then patching.
This one we are doing by generating this EDLR report. We are performing in our office company. The guide us how to generate this EDLR report.
Hmm.
Sometimes we are performing it from our end. There are
What
some last one is then like you mentioned, like how to
AWR
generate.
report?
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
But generate the EDLR report compulsory. We have to add the script in our system, right? My system, right? In our
What is
mission.
script?
Actually, we are generating that RDBMS. Script will be there, na?
Yeah, so the
SQL file.
file is available on that location only. Oracle Home RDBMS admin location.
Currently in our my system also available, right? One.
Yes, yes, that is the
Okay,
Oracle defined script. Okay,
okay, okay,
is available in Oracle RDBMS admin location.
okay, bye.
Hmm. So let me show you.
And we also
Here you
generating
can
some other
see.
script by SQL TRPT report.
Yeah,
Also
yeah,
the
everything.
uh,
ADDM, SQL, TRPT, ADDM report, AWR report, your UTLRP.SQL report, everything is available on that location. Okay.
okay,
Let me show you.
yeah,
Go to the Oracle Home RDBMS admin. Okay.
okay,
So now where we are? We are at Oracle Home RDBMS admin location. Now here you can see there are multiple SQL file. You just need to put like star.sql. Okay.
yes,
So here you will see the SQL files. Okay.
okay, yeah,
These are the SQL file, which is like it comes with the Oracle binaries one.
okay, bye. Understand.
Yeah. So if you go to the here you can see like there are catalog script, cat proc script, and uh, all the file will be available here only. You can
Okay,
see.
yeah, I found it by error report is there.
Mhm. Anything you can see by using this. Here you can see AWR RPT, RPTI, AWR
Uh,
RPT, A.SQL, everything is available. AWR load.SQL. So everything is available here.
but
Okay.
these are different for tuning purpose, right? These are all working for database
Not only
level.
for tuning purpose, Oracle has provided some of the inbuilt script, which Oracle knows that if we are going to execute this, yeah, for the if you talk about the AWR report, SQL TRP,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
and ADDM, so they are using basically for the system slowness or database slowness things.
Okay.
Okay,
But
so that will be related to, you can say, the database tuning. So
yeah,
where like your database or there is any utilization or slowness is going on database server or with the database. So using those report, you can like read all those report and you can like take the action accordingly.
Got it.
Yeah, in a ADDM report, what happened? It will suggest you this query is running from long time, or these things is like working on the server. It's by using these things, your database, like your DB is running slowly. So to avoid this thing, you need to do this. So also you in ADDM report, it will give you the like the action part. What
Okay.
action you can take.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I need to do index rebuild, you need to do the like database statics, you need to do uh, query tuning or anything. So it will give you the suggestion. Okay, it will give
Okay.
you the 2, 3 suggestions. And what suggestion you are going to do, it depend on you.
Understand.
Okay, so these are the thing. Like so I think we are having. So what I will do now, I will stop this session for now and then we'll start it again. Then we'll start the like data guard things because of in 5 to 10 minutes it will ask to restart the like session. Okay,
Okay.
so stop. Let me